Welcome to the channel where we explore the secrets of financial success and wealth building strategies for the future. Today, I'm going to reveal the 9 assets that will make you rich in 2024. Get ready to embark on a journey towards financial abundance. Asset 1: Gold. The timeless classic that retains its value even in turbulent times. Learn how to leverage this precious metal to safeguard your wealth and potentially see it grow exponentially. Asset 2: Real estate. An investment that never goes out of style. Discover the key strategies to capitalize on the booming property market and secure your financial future. Asset 3: Stocks. The gateway to exponential returns and financial growth. Uncover the top-performing stocks and investment opportunities that are set to soar in 2024. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Asset 4: Cryptocurrency. The digital revolution that's reshaping the financial landscape. Dive into the world of blockchain technology and unlock the potential for massive profits in the crypto market. Asset 5: Lifestyle assets. Wealth is not just about financial resources, but also about living the life you desire. Explore luxury investments that elevate your lifestyle and secure your legacy. Asset 6: Collectibles and Art. Where passion meets profit. Discover how investing in unique collectibles and art pieces can not only enrich your life, but also grow your wealth over time. Asset 7: Sustainable investments. The key to a green and prosperous future. Learn how investing in renewable energy and sustainable projects can generate financial returns while making a positive impact on the world. Asset 8: Knowledge and education. The most powerful assets of all is knowledge and education. Invest in yourself through continuous learning and personal development to unlock your full potential and achieve financial success. Asset 9: Community and relationships. Wealth is not just about what you have, but also who you share it with. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your journey to riches in 2024. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Remember, the key to financial success lies in diversifying your assets and staying ahead of the curve. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on how to make 2024 your most prosperous year yet. Until next time, stay focused, stay driven, and stay wealthy.